I believe that one of the challenges people face when it comes to writing and making sure that they use their authentic voice is they lack a system for capturing that content and data. And so if I were to give you one piece of advice is get really clear about how you're bringing those ideas in and putting them in a place that you can use them efficiently. And so I'll share my workflow. It may not be yours, but find something. And this kind of dates back to ages ago. There was a note taking app called Catch Notes, and it went away. And it took me forever. Evernote was close, but it never fulfilled everything I was looking for. And so now that I have Notion available to me, it's actually been a game changer, and I've been able to create at a much higher capacity than I ever have been. So Claire asked the question, how much do I have invested in my paid tech stack? It's a little tough because I have a nested tech stack.